Hey, what's up, DIYers? Mike Borders with the Mike Borders channel. Thank you for watching. We are working on a GE electric version laundry center, and in today's video, the proper and safe way on how to install your water inlet valve. Let's get started. I wanted to show you a view of the fully removed water inlet valve and the hose and all that's involved with this part. There are, or at least one of the plastic tension or lock clips. The remaining two are on the wire harness that feeds wire connections to their respective solenoids. Back inside the washing machine, we will start by resecuring the connection points for the electrical wiring. And here is an additional lock clip, and an additional one is up top right here. See it? The way the connections are going to resecure, you've got this little lock or tension clip here, and on the top of the solenoids on their respective parts is a little notch or tab, and you want to install these properly. And I will resecure them to their respective connections. Bring this up as shown here. I've got the tab on the top as well as the lock clip. Don't crimp or pinch any of the wiring, and resecure them. And you want them pressed all the way in place until that little tab on the solenoid is locked behind the little clip here. And it should make a clicking sound, as shown there. Both of those are pushed all the way on and compress each of the connections. And from here, I'm going to position this, maneuver up and through the holes, and resecure the inlet valve with that screw, followed by these two screws right down here. And last but not least, all three of the tension locks or lock clips. Now to a close-up view, again, the 1/4" screw, and I have shifted the entire water inlet valve onto the aluminum panel or plate to align the screw hole. And lock clips, push them all the way through. Coming back inside the washer bowl, and we need to align this piece as shown here and compress it in place. To an update, DIYers, I definitely needed both hands. That is not easy. And again, just align it properly and pinch it and press it back in place where it is flush. Align the two holes and secure this entire piece up top with the two screws. DIYers, to another update, I have properly secured both of those 1/4" screws, and at this point, just double check everything. Again, the two screws here, the 3 plastic tension locks that feed up and through the aluminum, the 2 electrical connection points for the cold and hot solenoids of the valve itself, as well as the upper side 1/4" screw. Coming up and out, I'm going to carefully close the washer lid or door and double check everything up here, and if all looks good, we are going to resecure our water hoses and fittings and ensure that the rubber seals inside here are properly seated and not offset, and carefully, without cross-threading, secure them. Making progress, the water hoses and fittings are resecured onto the blue plastic threaded studs of the inlet valve, and DIYers, very important, do not over tighten these. You are screwing onto plastic thread. Double check everything. And if all looks good, you can at this point resecure this panel. However, some people, believe it or not, will keep this panel off and go to the water shutoff valve over there, shift it to the open configuration to allow water through the lines and to this point, and check for leaks. If you do that and no leaks, you can then secure this panel. However, again, coming back inside to our water shutoff valve, again, it's in the on configuration because we are not servicing this laundry center, but shift yours to the on position, check for leaks here, and I will resecure this down. And carefully restore electrical power to your system. And again, check for leaks, resecure that center panel, and run a cycle to test. Alright, DIYers, hey, a quick break in the action. And again, the sole purpose or focus in this video is the proper steps to install your brand new water inlet valve. However, in the event that you want step-by-step guidance on how to remove the old valve, definitely check out the link scrolling above. We will also have that link down below in the comments and description, and it will be video link number 1. Taking a step back in DIYers, that completes the project. We really hope this helps. And a quick view of all the tools that we used. Again, down below in the comments and description will be links to all of these, including the painter's tape. And again, we hope this helps. Down below in the comments and description, several helpful links, which include, again, replacing your dryer exhaust duct, as well as that chute that goes through the wall and to the outside. We will show you how to properly do that. How to replace water lines, how to replace a power cord, and DIYers, in the event that your dryer ever leaves orange or black streaks or marks on your clothes, not good. That's not normal. Don't be okay with that. We will have links down below showing you common causes and how to fix that. Again, we hope this helps. Do us a favor, below the video, you will see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely ring your YouTube bell. It'd be very helpful to us. We'd really appreciate it. Thanks again for watching.